What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing a cartoon cupcake. Let's start this lesson in the center of a page with the top edge of the liner. So in the middle, start with a point. Now from this point we're going to draw a series of curves going up and then back down, almost like a half circle. Going up, and then down towards the left. We go back to the center, go up to the same height, and then back down on the right side. We're going to do that one more time. Going up, and then down. Now from the ends, we're going to draw a straight angled line coming down and then in towards the bottom of the cupcake. Now let's connect the ends of the line with a curve. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to come down in the middle, and then we're going to bend that back up on the right side. Now I want to draw the arms folded in towards the center holding a heart. So we start over on the left side, so just out here, curve down, and then up in the middle. From the inside, we're going to draw on the edge of the hand, we're going to curve this around, and then back out. Let's go to the outside, we're going to round this out as well. Rounding out the arm, and then coming back in. Now let's connect the outside to the inside with a curve. Just follow that same curve of the arm, coming down, and then back up. Now we're going to draw the right arm folded in behind. So starting on the outside of the arm, come down, and then back up to the same height that we have on the left. We're just going to round out the end of the arm, and then follow the arm coming back in. We're just going to tuck this in underneath the left arm. Let's draw two lines on the tip of the hand with the fingers, coming down at an angle. Now let's draw the heart in behind the hands. In the center, we step up, start with a point. From this point, I'm going to curve up and out toward the left, round out the heart, and then come down at an angle in behind the arm. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going out, and then in. And then we'll draw the bottom of the heart. In the center, start with a point. We're going to angle up and out underneath the arm, aiming towards this line. Go back to the center, aim up towards the right side, towards that line. Now I want to take the center point and draw a straight line coming down in behind the heart, and then from the bottom of the heart we come all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's go to the outside points. We're going to angle this down and in with a slight angle coming down underneath the arm. We'll continue down towards the bottom. Go to the right and then come down and in. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the sides of the cupcake. From the top corner out here we're going to curve out and then pull that in. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Going out and then pulling that in towards the same height. Now I'm going to connect the top of these lines with a curve going across. So start on the left side, we're going to bump this out, pull this in towards the middle, come down towards the right. Now we're just going to round this out and then down towards the bottom of that line. Now I want to connect these 2 points again with the bottom edge of the frosting. So we start out here, we're going to curve up, pull this down towards the right, and we'll pull that back up towards the right side. Now let's add the second tier of frosting. On the left we're going to step in, curve out, round out the top, come down towards the right, and we'll just pull that in on the right side. Now let's draw on the top of the frosting. Starting on the left, we're going to bump this out, come across. Now I'm just going to curl this back around towards the left. Then from here, we're going to curve out towards the right, pull that down, and then in on top. Let's move all the way back down towards the bottom and add the eyes. So on the left side, we draw a circle. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now on the top of each eye, we draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And we're going to fill the bottoms of the eyes in black. Let's add the mouth in between the eyes. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a U, coming down and then back up. Now I want to tuck the cheeks in behind the top edge of the cup. So directly underneath the eye, start it down here, we're going to curve up and then back down, almost like a half circle. Do the same thing on the right side. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add some sprinkles across the top of the frosting. Starting on left, we're gonna draw a series of ovals, and we're just gonna angle them randomly, going across, up, and down. Just add a few more on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our cartoon cupcake. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.